Mastering Idioms, Killing Time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus will be on the phrase, killing time. This idiom is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. Killing time is an interesting idiom that might sound a bit strange at first. It doesn't involve any violence, despite what the word killing might suggest. Instead, killing time means to engage in an activity to make time pass more quickly or to wait for something else to happen. It's often used when someone is doing something to stay busy while waiting for a more important event or moment. The phrase, killing time, has been in use for centuries. It likely originated from the idea of killing something that you cannot see or touch, like time. Over the years, it has become a common way to express the act of passing time, especially in situations where someone might be bored or waiting. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. I was just killing time by reading a book until the movie started. 2. She listens to podcasts to kill time during her commute. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe activities that fill the time until something more significant occurs. It's important to note that killing time can be used in both casual and semi-formal contexts. However, in very formal situations, you might choose a phrase like passing the time to sound more appropriate. And that's all about killing time. I hope this video has been informative and has added a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are a great way to sound more natural when speaking English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun while learning. See you in our next video.